Hi, and welcome to your local library. Come join us at Scenic Libraries these school holidays. We've got some wonderful activities for children and young adults. Get set for summer with our hands-on workshop, Learning First Aid for children and young teenagers. We're going to learn simple things like how to clean simple cuts, treat snakebite injuries, treat nosebleeds, and how to call for help. In the week before Christmas, we have a circuitry Christmas activity. This is where we're going to learn how to make simple circuits. We're going to make a Christmas tree and we're going to use LEDs, a power supply, and we're going to wire and make our own circuits ourselves so that you can take home a Christmas ornament to display. To make a booking for any of our events, visit our Scenic Rim Regional Council website, download our app, Scenic Rim Libraries, or drop by any of our libraries.